sack on mine here. All right, yeah, see, I got ink all over my hands.
Wow.
So now, we got to take the fins, and we're going to grab the squid by the fins, and we're going to try and peel. We're going to rip them off and try and peel the skin down all in one movement, if you can, all in one time. I didn't do all that, so pull it.
Like this right here?
Push right here?
Yep, push right in there so you can separate the fin from the body, and then you pull the fins down all the way, and you rip the skin all the way down to the end.
Like this? Is it going to come off one big piece, or
It might. It depends on how it comes. You rip.
Am I doing it?
Yeah, be a little bit more aggressive with that there. They can take it.
And then you just peel this?
Yep, and peel it all off.
That's what the calamari normally looks like.
Like that?
Yeah, go ahead. And you want to peel it. Actually, it comes easier if you peel it down towards the.
Come this way?
Yeah, pull down towards you, towards the opening. Too.
Slippery.
You regret signing up for this?
They laugh at me because, I don't eat everything.
I don't eat a lot of fish myself, but